Hey everyone, my name is Isaiah Torres. I'm a junior here at UT. My current major is economics, and this is about course 1 INF 303. Let's get started. First topic of interest was basic HTML. When we first learned about it, we were learning about the different meanings, different words involved in HTML. And when it comes to programming HTML, such as the body, the head, we were also understanding how we can jump in between these places and add in our own touches, just as we're changing names, adding our own names to titles, and being able to upload, save, and see that aspect change in front of our eyes was really cool. Now, I also find that very important, given that we live in the digital world now. Second topic that was interesting was the information privacy, mainly because we sign up for so many different websites and different things online. We really don't understand what we're giving up. Facebook is one of them. We sign up for Facebook. We don't read the terms of agreement and we just skip it and decide to agree. And we see that now that that's something we should really understand. Privacy versus security is a big thing. We think we have the right to privacy by uploading pictures because we just choose to do that, but at the same time, those pictures can be hacked, leaked, and be out on the web. So understanding that is a big thing. Just because we believe it's safe, it's not really safe out in this digital world. I believe the topics listed in this class were big software such as Adobe, Excel. Not many people really know how to use different types of softwares. And understanding that we live in the digital world is very important because when we get into these jobs, people expect us to know different softwares, different aspects of what this is, and understanding what we can do. And also learning about programming. We touched on it with HTML, but there's different types of programming such as C++, Java, and that's a big thing. Also in understanding what it means and what we're looking at if we're ever shown code. Finally, the takeaways from this class have been Google Docs, slides, the resources that Google provides, calendar, and understanding how we can incorporate this in our daily lives, and as well as the fact that we're able to work together with Google resources, not having to share one document at a time, sending it back and forth. It's a big help, and understanding that we can rely and talk to others to get the job done. Thanks.